Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Syana. For those who are new here, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will do a makeup tutorial inspired by this palette because this palette looks so fun, and you know what, I'll add a little bit of something extra for my eye makeup. So without any further ado, let's use this palette. So first, for a transition shade, I will use this shade right here, this one. Oh, by the way guys, I'm using a new camera and it's actually kinda good for me because I don't have to like use my phone anymore, and then it is a lot better than any other other camera, because I've been wondering getting M10 instead of this camera because M10 is way cheaper, but I like the autofocus for this camera, so I decided to get this camera, and then I can also use it to make makeup tutorial and also vlogs. So if I do vlogs, it will be a lot easier because this camera is so freaking lighter than in the M10, so I like it more. Okay, so for the next shade, I will take this one, this color right here. Okay, so I'll just put it right here at the outer corner of my eyes, and then down to my up to my crease, so it's like this. Do like this. Take this one, this color, with a smaller brush like this. This brush. Can I focus, honey? Focus. Why you cannot focus? Okay, so with this brush right here. Oh my god, so pretty. Oh my god. And then I will blend it with this brush. Yeah, someone is chatting. Like this. Oh my god, so pretty lah, this color. Cantik. This color is so fine. Look at my eyes. Oh my god, you can see my jerawat. I said that I am pretty much done with my face, but you might still can see the breakouts on my face because I don't want to have like a full coverage. Why I don't want to have full coverage? I just feel like I don't need a full coverage because recently I'm into some kind of natural finish, and I would like to embrace my flaws, and also I don't know what else. I guess that's it. So for next color on my lid, I will take these two shades. These two. But first, take this first. Using my finger, just apply it on my lid like this. And then this shade, just take a little bit of it, just tap like this. You'll still get this much of products, you know, even though you only dab. Can I focus? Look at that. Look at that. So you just have to put on right here. Oh my god. Use this angle brush, this angle brush, and then take this shade, I'm gonna mix this too. Because I've been using this right here, I will take a bit of this again and apply it down here. Oh my god. And then using this color, this one, and then using a white eyeliner, this one. This is a white eyeliner from Etude house. Right underneath your eye. And then using, where is it? Using this eye circle maker from Etude. I'll just then I'll just curl my lashes and then apply mascara. Where's my mascara? Okay, I'll just use this one, this Barbie, and then I curl my lashes real quick. Wait, I will fix my face a little bit. I will contour my face with this Tartiest Pro Glow to Go palette as usual. Okay, as usual, I just use this shade. After that, I'll blush my cheek with this Zoeva Color Spectrum palette. Oh my god, so dirty. I'm sorry if it's so dirty. So dirty. Okay, I'll take the shade. I'll highlight my face with this one, using this brush. Take this shade. Oh my god, I used the wrong brush. Where's my brush? Where's the other brush? Okay, here it is. I'll use this brush. And then I'll go to my lips. For lips, I'll just mix two shades, which is I'll trim it. Okay, I'll mix these two shades. Both are from Colourpop. This one in Speed Dial and another one is in Love Bug. So first I'll use this Speed Dial shade. First I'll use this. And then left back at the inner part of my lip. And then we'll go to a fun part. For fun part, I'll use this and this. Can I focus? Okay, these two. Okay, so this is pretty much how it looks like. So I will add a little bit more on right here. On this side, I'll just put a little bit of the glitter. By the way, I'm using eyelash glue in order to put on this how do you guys call this? pearl thingy. I don't know how to call this thing. Okay, I put it on right here like this. I will add a small glitter, this one, onto my eyes, but not much, just a few of it. Okay, I'm done, but I'm not done with my lip because my lip doesn't seem like to be suitable with this look, so I'll use this Fenty Beauty Fenty Gloss Balm, a lip gloss beside. Okay, so this makeup is suitable for those who are having something like party or Halloween. They want to go for something extra, a theme party, a theme dinner, something like that. So if you would like to try this look, I think it will be great, and I hope that I did it right because I kind of like this area, this one and this. I like it a lot, and I hope that I'll see you soon on my next one. And yeah, don't forget to watch my next video that will be up maybe next week. I don't know when because I've been so busy and I don't know when I'll be able to upload my video. I hope that I can upload every Monday. So yeah, if you have anything that you would like to say, don't forget, you just have to comment down here, and see you again on my next one. Bye.